Unit 5, Lesson 3 test. Number 1. What is the role of a photovoltaic cell in harnessing energy for people to use? A. It converts solar energy into electricity. B. It reflects energy away from the earth and towards space. C. It uses the energy of moving water to rotate a turbine. Number 2. How is the use of hydroelectric power related to the sun? Hint, Step 1, recall the meaning of the words parts, hydro and electric. Step 2, recall earth processes that are affected by solar energy. Step 3, choose the statement below that correctly relates energy from the sun to hydroelectric power. A, the sun powers the water cycle. B, solar cells collect hydroelectric energy. C, hydroelectric power can only be collected in sunlight. Number 3, the diagram below shows a natural resource from which an energy resource can be produced. Which renewable energy resource can be produced from this natural resource? A, alcohol. B, sunlight. C, flowing wind. Number 4, how is geothermal energy used? A, moving mud turns a turbine to produce electricity. B, wind turns a turbine that makes a generator work. C, heated water warms buildings or generates electricity. Number 5, what are the advantages of using resources such as geothermal energy, solar energy, and hydropower? A, they can generate power from fossil fuels. B, they come from energy sources that never run out. C, they increase the amount of greenhouse gases. Number 6, which kind of energy from the heat inside the earth can be used to generate electricity? A, wind energy. B, solar energy. C, geothermal energy. Number 7, how is wind energy related to the sun? Hint, Step 1, recall earth processes that are affected by solar energy. Step 2, choose the statement below that correctly relates energy from the sun to wind energy. A, winds flow from the sun to the earth at high speeds. B, wind energy can be used to cool water heated by the sun. C, the sun heats air masses in the Earth's atmosphere, causing wind. Number 8, which factor determines whether an energy resource is renewable or non-renewable? A, whether or not the resource can be sold to people for money. B, the types of energy conversions involved in the forming of the resource. C, the rate at which it is used compared to the rate at which it is replenished. Number 9, the picture shows a device used to produce electricity. Which form of energy is converted into electrical energy in the device? A, biomass energy. B, wind energy. C, solar energy. Number 10, what is the drawback of using geothermal energy? A, it involves the flooding of local environments. B, it is used at a rate that is faster than it can be replenished. C, it can occur only in regions where magma is close to the Earth's surface. Number 12, how is the generation of electricity at a geothermal power plant related to water? Hint, Step 1, recall the meanings of the word parts, geo and thermal. Step 2, recall earth processes that can affect water. Step 3, choose the statement below that correctly identifies the relationship between water and geothermal power plants. A, water is left behind when fossil fuels are burned. B, the downward flow of water is used to turn a turbine. C, water heated by magma is pumped from beneath the Earth's surface. Number 13, which image shows a resource that can be used as biomass? A, item A, B, item B, C, item C, and D, item D. Number 14, what is the major reason solar energy is not used everywhere on a larger scale? A, it is too difficult to install solar panels. B, solar energy is not very effective at producing electricity. C, solar panels need to be used in areas that receive a lot of sunlight. Number 15, what is one disadvantage of using renewable energy resources such as biomass, wind, and hydropower? A, the science to develop these resources is too new. B, these resources are not always available in all areas. C, the use of these resources enhances the natural environment.